To test the gas generator fire extinguisher system, a 100-gram unit has been fitted to a 2 cubic meter test cabinet, which is exactly the size as recommended by the manufacturers. Unfortunately, I seem unable to rotate this video, so you need to lay on your left side to watch it. A small fire and some test candles have been lit to ascertain the efficiency of this system. As you can see, the canister has discharged a large cloud of acrid smoke, from which I'm still coughing some 3 days later. As I failed to ingest the entire residue, a fine film of powder coated everything. All the candles appear to have been successfully extinguished, although the small fire is still burning happily. So intense was this test fire that needed not one but 2 puffs from a small hand extinguisher to extinguish it. This simple test is now repeated, but this time using a 2 kg indirect CO2 fire trace system, and the fire has been extinguished within a matter of seconds. The advantage of CO2 is it's not only fast and efficient, but leaves no residue. You may now return to the upright position and visit our website for more information.